Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm Giselle, and it's that time of the freaking year again when you're either being super extra on social media with your relationship goals selfies on Instagram and on Facebook, or you're either celebrating being forever alone with a tub of ice cream to yourself. For my very first Valentine's video of 2018, I'm sharing DIY, easy, and cheap Valentine's Day decor ideas.
On records, get back on back, so my money making my back.
Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any videos like this one. And extra points if you have your little notification bell turned on. Huge shout out to Marie S for having hers on. And follow me on all my socials if you'd like to. And let's get into the video. First up, we have a geometric heart garland. This is super easy and you probably have all the supplies at home. I just created a stencil from a heart silhouette I liked online, and I traced it to make more of the same kind. I used 9 hearts in total. Next, I use these brush pens from Amazon, which I'll have linked down below, to create a watercolor effect on all my hearts, but you can definitely use regular watercolor if you'd like to. Just make sure they're completely dry. Lastly, attach your hearts onto the yarn or twine to create your garland. Super simple, but adds a nice pop of color for Valentine's Day. For the second DIY, I'm showing you how to make a love letter rug. Literally so obsessed with how this one came out. Taking this dollar store rug, I painted a thin layer of white acrylic paint because I wanted the rug to be brighter so the red would pop more, but this part is completely optional. Then I took some red paint to draw on the heart in the center of the rug. Lastly, I painted on the straight lines to create an envelope shape, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay until the very end of this video. If you liked it, please do give it a like and subscribe if you have not already so you don't miss any more videos like this one. And also, again, turn on the little notification bell because it notifies you every time I post a video. And sometimes if you don't have it on, it just doesn't notify you that I even exist or that I even posted a new video. So definitely turn them on. And I'm going to start doing shout outs for those who do have them on. So definitely do comment down below if you do have yours on so I can give you a little shout out in the intros of my videos. Let me know down below which DIY you're most excited to try. And yeah, before I go, like I always say, there's so much negativity in the world, so be sure to only spread positivity down in the comments. And of course, wherever you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.